morning, camera.
What up, internet?
We just checked out of our place, kind of. We just left our key and awkwardly shimmied the door shut. Now we've got a couple hours of time to waste until our boat to the airport. We did end up figuring out how to book those tickets for the boat online, so we've got those all set up. Got our boarding passes. Now we're just wasting time. Got anything to add there, sir?
No, I think we summarized it pretty well.
Yeah.
Now you're up to speed, internet people.
Yeah, you got it. There's a prickly pear cactus here, and an olive tree, and another little prickly pear. Some prickly guys. I love plants. You know that about me? You want to go back to the same spot?
Yeah.
Seems like a good spot.
I agree. Last moments.
I can't really tell that there's gold tile on that building when the sun's not reflecting off it. It's beautiful.
The one with the carvings?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a beautiful building. How is it?
Guy's best and tourist place. It's really good. Sorry, I'm ignoring you, but
Yeah, that's alright. It's tasty enough.
No matter how I'm feeling, I can always have rice. So it's really easy. Rice. And risotto. Yeah. Like Italian rice porridge. You know how much I love my rice porridge.
Mushrooms in it too, eh? Yeah, it looks tasty.
Really good. You want some?
I'm okay. There's a little man's face on the doorway. There's a little man's face on the doorway. I'm sure I already filmed this, but capturing the moment, I suppose. Our last little walk around.
Yeah.
I think Holly's after someplace sunny to sit down.
Yeah,
Maybe write or draw in her book.
Yeah.
While we kill a bit more time before we can catch our water thing to our flying thing.
Yeah.
That's what you call those
It's such
things,
an
right?
interesting thing to take a boat to the airport.
Yeah.
And just like taking a train to an island seemed bizarre.
Boats, planes, and automo trains.
Thinking about this island is a little bit weird. Series of islands,
Yeah,
sorry.
delightful way. Don't go between them.
Go between them? Are you crazy? You said go between them.
I said, don't go between them.
How many times can we quote that?
Too many.
That might be the end of it though, because we're not going to be here.
Yeah. Leaving very soon. Do you want to find a better spot to sit and chill or whatever?
This would be a great spot for rafting.
Oh. Look at the color of the bricks. You kind of see the water probably goes up.
Yeah. It's crazy. It's thinking about how worn away this is, and I'm thinking, oh, it's because it's probably covered by water a lot of the time.
Yeah. Quarter of the year or something. Is it pretty much just spring?
Yeah, I think so. It's like the early part of the year. But look how it's like a happy ecosystem. I never expected the water to be so clean.
I didn't think I'd see so many
Fishies.
little fishes, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if the
Big
GoPro
fish,
picks up
too.
any of that, but yeah, we saw a bunch of fish.
Let me try. Let me show you the little fishes. See them? Little fishies? I'm sure they can see that. Yeah. Yeah, it's a lovely place to just like look at the details and stuff, right? All of them, but the long.
Are some of them olive trees? Not all of them?
They're oleander.
Okay. Yeah, that's where you called your mom yesterday, right?
Yeah. There's cosmos down there. Those always remind me of Japan.
Oh, yeah.
It would have been nice to see a cosmos in Japan.
Next
One
time.
day. Maybe not this time.
Yeah, maybe not, but one time.
February's not the time.
One time for your mind. I guess I don't really understand what February in Japan is, in southern Japan, and specifically Kyushu.
Yeah. But cosmos always bloom at the end of the
Yeah,
summer into fall.
not in winter. It's like you found your little spot.
I think this will work.
Yeah.
I do found a snack though.
Oh, so we did. Okay, I'm gonna take off my bag and sit down too. Relax a little. Wait for a boat now.
Yeah. Hopefully we did all the things right. It'll be fine.
I think so. I still don't know what they look like. They're saying it's not like this boat behind us.
No.
There's a bigger one.
It's like that. There.
Oh, okay.
That's what it looks like.
Okay. Airport shuttle. Cool. Taking the boat to the airport, just outside the airport. See on this lovely little location. Watch the boats come in and the seagulls fly around. And Ollie's in the process of getting us some Campari spritz. Well, I keep a little seat for us kept. Nice. Nice.
On here.
The internet. Look, he's back. His wife.
Yeah, he's back. I've been gone for a long time.
Well, took a while to make perfection-y, delicious, boozy drinks.
They really are good though. They're so good. I'm glad that we splashed out a little in Bath before we left because we can't really get this anywhere else.
Yeah.
I'm sure we can make it at home.
This is just like the boat that dropped us off.
Yeah.
I noticed that the small compartment emptied out first on this one, so I guess there's no order of operations in terms of how passengers eject
You can
themselves.
see there's way more space in the front though, so that's why it took
way more.
forever for it to empty.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever taken a boat to an airport before. I'm sure there's lots of places where that happens, like people that go to the Caribbean and stuff, but I really loved it. I like taking a boat. I love water so much. And I was just gonna kind of talk about the price and stuff, but we bought our tickets online and they were €18 each, so about $40 Canadian after you factor in all the stuff, a little more than 40. Super easy. It's tricky because we only have one device that connects to the internet, so I had to like activate one of our tickets and show the guy to get onto the boat, but I couldn't activate the other one until later because if you leave the screen, then your ticket disappears and you can't get out at the end. So I had to like scan it when we got out here at one of those gates and activate his ticket and then pass him the thing, my phone, over the barrier and get him to scan it. But it worked out fine. It was just a little bit awkward. It's like the time you lost your phone in the saltwater pool and we had to have all of our boarding passes on my phone. Remember that? In Indonesia? Yeah. Anyway, now we're just sitting here on the patio having a Campari spritz, which is way better than Aperol in my opinion. So good. It's lovely that this airport's just on the water. Like, this is the airport. This is the water. So cool. Just like when we arrived here and the train came right up to the canal. It's so cool. Pretty cool place. He wants it.
It does taste strong.
Are we getting on the boat? Are we getting on the boat? I thought we were getting on the boat.
Thought we were getting on the boat.
I thought we were getting on the boat.
Scooby-Doo monster game.
Not getting on the boat. We're getting on a plane. I think that's a good thing to know, that if you're going return, which we weren't, you save like €4. Okay? That's probably where those people got the tickets, because and we had to buy ours online because we were in the middle of the city, but no. Yeah. What is this weird Space Gandhi disco show? It says Noah's Ark. But if Noah's Ark was a spaceship. Albert Einstein? And a Buddha guy? And Gandhi? Weird. Alright. You ready for this?
Alright, I'm ready. I was born spaghetti.
Molded by spaghetti. I don't know if the camera knows that every time I say, "Are you ready?" I say, "Are you spaghetti?" And
I'm sure
meatballs.
that's on camera at some point.
Oh, I guess so.
You often say, "Are you spaghetti?" or "you pescetti?" or some variation of that.
Back there, boy. Hey, you.
Foot footage.
It's honestly super cool to not be able to take a cab to the airport. Love it.
That's a good point. I hadn't really thought of it that way.
You can take a water taxi, but you can't take a cab.
Yeah. Instead, we took a water
Ferry.
something. Ferry?
Yeah.
Okay. Water bus.
This so far is like my favorite airport ever. We haven't even made it there yet.
No.
Still like lose all the points.
Just the fact that there's a little airport car where you could, sit by the water in the sunshine. It's really
Water.
nice.
More airports should have water.
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is my favorite, but Singapore was dope too.
We
Right?
took that
Singapore was
one
so
flight
cool.
from Toronto, the airport that's on the water.
Oh, yeah.
Is it called Charles Daly or whatever? Is that what it's called?
No.
What's it called?
Billy Bishop.
Billy Bishop. It's Charles Daly.
Charlie Daly is a park.
Oh, okay.
In Niagara.
I got one of those working.
Brought us provisions. Got us this pizza that had like olives on it, but I think they all fell off in the process.
Looks tasty.
Yeah, I got us this like
Such.
this beer I've been seeing for a long time. Is both Italian and also looks very Japanese. So I thought, yeah, you know what, we'll try this. And then I
Number
got,
one headband.
Yeah.
Oh, I just assumed it would be 2 slices of pizza.
No, I got us a
Fancy
mozzarella
sandwich.
tomato gravy thing sandwich.
That looks delightful.
Oh, can confirm. Amazing. We'll share these things.
I haven't had a single beer while we were in Italy.
No, we had so much beer in Germany though.
Yeah. Not enough. I enjoyed having wine in Italy instead.
And Aperol spritz. No,
Yeah.
Campari. Campari's better.
All the spritz.
Yeah. This is so good. It's like tender.
You're so good.
For airport food, 10 out of 10.
Nice.
We're not sure if we can eat tonight when we get to Lisbon.
It'll be late and we don't know our surroundings. But yeah. Cool. purchase.
How much do you want to put on each one?
Good question. What do you think?
Okay. Do you use cash or bank card? What do you think?
It's up to you. We got our little metro cards. I feel like cardboard.
Yeah.
Should we just tap them?
This is gonna be right. Yeah, I don't know.
Let's find out.
Oh, wait.
That easy, eh? Go.
I want to go to San Sebastian.
Okay.
On the last little bit, we're almost there.
It's a long, long day.
Yeah.
I don't think we really expressed the camera how long we waited at that airport.
Yeah, our flight was pretty heavily delayed, so. And on top of that, we went there early.
Yeah.
So,
So we spent like 7 hours in the airport.
yeah.
Yeah. That was a lot.
And now,
Finally here though. 10-minute walk or something though?
I would take you into the hall to start this, but if I do that, it'll be very dark. So it's gonna start in here. This is our place. Little TV over here, a little couch, and little table set up. And we've got some Portuguese beer and chips. It's a little kitchen. Bedroom. I guess there's a disco light. You turn that on, it just flickers on and off. Yeah. And then there's a bathroom. Don't really know where the light switch is, but here's the bathroom. Is there even a light switch for the bathroom? Ah, there we go. Anyway. Whew. It's been such a long, crazy day that, yeah. We're just gonna chill out here, sit on our little wooden stools, and eat some jalapeno chips we got from the convenience store. And that's us. That's us for tonight, right? Mm-hmm. Well, see you tomorrow, camera.